Innovation is really the heartbeat of an organization. The evolution of the universal product line has been by far the largest project that we've done in a very long time at Viking Pump. And it has brought together every single functional group within our organization.
The drive behind this isn't to recreate the wheel, it's to reinforce it. So we're a globally recognized brand, and we really wanted to modernize the technology that we're offering to continue our position as a global leader.
The Universal Seal product line covers such a wide, diverse number of markets, applications, etc. It was time for us to evolve and really take that product to the next level to keep ahead and stay relevant in the market space.
Gen 3 brought a lot of things into being with that universal concept originally. The Gen 4 really took that to the next level and said, okay, how do we make this truly a universal seal bracket?
The three main design changes that we worked through were the thicker bushing design, the bolt-on ports themselves, and then a flush and suck within the port. The thicker bushing was developed to allow us to use the seals in either location within the bracket instead of having to change brackets entirely. The bolt-on ports was used to help standardize on a single casing design and allow flexibility to the customers, and the flush and suck ports were added to standardize on a single design for the casing.
Because it was such a big scope, that definitely gave us some challenges. Where do you even start with something so large? So we tried to break it down. We looked at individual components and really looked at each function, which then allowed us to say, how do we do that differently, or perhaps a better way, both from a product standpoint, but also from a process standpoint, saying, is there a better way to do this?
First of all, we confirmed the current design performance in our on-site lab. Once that was done for the standard design, we then ran the new design on identical tests to confirm that performance either matched or exceeded to a certain extent.
Viking Pump seem like easy products to build, to assemble, to test. There's a lot of intricacies, and our team really has a focus around those small details and put a lot of effort into making sure those details are performed properly. That'll make a huge impact to the performance of the pump. So as those details are documented and we have a procedure in place to maintain that 100% of the time, that's what we're looking for here.
Voice of customer research with our end users and our distributors started years before even the project kicked off. So we could understand how our customers have evolved and how their needs have changed.
So our launch strategy really focused around collaboration, being inquisitive, identifying the opportunities where we can improve the product, but also improve our distributor relationships with Viking Pump and their customers. Really what we wanted to do was not tell them what was new, but explain to them why it was new and how it impacted them.
Distributor buy-in is critical for us. They are the face of Viking Pump to the end user in many cases, and so the level of confidence, the level of buy-in that they have going into a new product launch like this is critical. If you think about our distributors' ability to carry a less complex set of inventory, to do more things more quickly, that means the end user gets exactly what they need faster.
Another thing that's been crucial in any new product design process that we do here at Viking Pump is to do beta pumps. That product is used in so many different markets and so many different applications that when we chose our beta sites, we chose an array of different applications, different markets, so that we could get real-world representation and feedback on how the product performed, what the customer liked, what the maintenance experience was, what was the installation process like. The best beta site experience that we had, the customer actually installed the pump before we got there and didn't even realize that it was a different product. And that is the ideal situation, is really for a customer to go from one generation to the next and have it be completely painless.
So Viking Pump's reputation is built on more than a century of product development. Our engineering excellence, our reliability, and really our customer experience. Customers really come to expect that from Viking, and they know when we design and develop an evolved product, it's with purpose, with meaningful, tangible, and real results that they can trust.
We're working on becoming more of a global company as we develop these new products. So working with our team in India, the local team here, manufacturing, engineering, and quality in the foundry to develop the concepts and the products themselves.
Really proud of just how the whole team worked together through that collaboration. Instead of just posing challenges, coming up with solutions and ideas to solve those, being able to work through that together so that everyone had a say in the design and brought great ideas to the team.
We've had people that have come before us that have made a really high quality product that can be trusted on. Given all the different things that we've engineered and developed and produced over the years, there is a high trust, in this product release as well, but certainly something that can't be taken for granted either.
So the world around us is constantly evolving and changing. And so innovation at Viking Pump is not a finish line. It's something that's an ongoing process for us, and we're excited to see where we go next.